How to fix your payment method was declined on App Store. In today's video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix this issue. First, start by double-checking your payment details. Go to Settings, your name, Payment and Shipping, and ensure that your card number, expiration date, and billing address are all correct. Even the smallest typo can cause issues, so review everything carefully. If your card details are fine, make sure you have sufficient funds. Contact your bank if needed to confirm the transaction and ensure no restrictions are blocking it. If your card is still not working, try adding a new payment method. Go to Settings, Payment and Shipping, and select Add Payment Method. You can add a new card. Once added, set it as the default payment method and try your purchase again. Next, check for any outstanding charges on your account. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture, and go to Manage Payments. If there are any unpaid balances, settle them first before attempting a new transaction. Another critical step is verifying your App Store region. Your payment method must match your App Store's country or region settings. Go to Settings, Media, and Purchases. View Account Country Region to ensure they match. If the issue persists, try removing and re-adding your payment method. Simply go to Payment and Shipping, tap your card, and select Remove Payment Method. Then re-add it and try again. For an alternative solution, consider using an Apple gift card or another backup payment option like PayPal to complete your transaction. Outdated software can also be a culprit, so make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version by going to Settings, General, Software Update. And if none of these steps work, it's time to contact Apple Support, where you can explain your issue for further assistance. And there you have it. These are the best solutions to fix the payment method was declined error on the App Store. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update.